Anyone can use Trainset. It is really that simple. You just need to log in securely and you're away. Follow me and see for yourself. I'm going to produce an A to Z for North Berwick. First I need to select A to Z Poster Editor from the main menu on the left-hand side. Then right-click to bring up a dialog box and select the first option, Create New A to Z Poster. With Trainset you can produce A to Zs in two industry standard formats, either NSE or ICP. NSE is the default setting and consumes far less space, but both options are available depending on poster space and location. You can change the start and end dates for the timetable period or a particular engineering work block, either by clicking through the calendar or by manually selecting the month and date. Once the date is set, I simply save the poster. You can either manually add stations or start by auto-detecting direct services from North Berwick to any other station. Trainset can do the auto-detect in seconds for you. Now it's time to select a template from the Applications Templates folder, and I want to set a few master properties for the poster before I continue. I am manually inserting more stations by right-clicking in the Destinations window and left-clicking Add New Destination from the context menu. I am inserting stations towards Fife and stations around the Fife loop, which will either require a change of train at Haymarket, the furthest point we can change directly, or Edinburgh. There are two key elements within Trainset which greatly enhance the final data output. Firstly, when two connecting trains span two different days because of a connection over midnight, Trainset will still give you the optimal connection time, even though these trains effectively run on two different days. Secondly, there is the ability to show trains that run beyond midnight at the end of the previous day. For example, this may be useful and clearer for passengers who are travelling late on a Friday night and are catching the last train home and the service is in the early hours of Saturday morning. With Trainset, you have the option to show these services at the end of Mondays to Fridays, making it easier for the passenger to understand that there are trains beyond midnight without having to look for a service at the start of Saturdays. I am now inserting stations throughout West Lothian and beyond to popular destinations. These will also contain the same connections as those towards Fife. I select all the stations first that require a change of train by holding down my control key and selecting which stations require connections. Next, I set up the connections on weekdays, Saturdays and Sundays to change at Haymarket as my first choice or Edinburgh as my second choice. Then I highlight Haymarket on its own and select connections required on weekdays, Saturdays and Sundays, except I only want to change at Edinburgh. Returning to the previous window with our new North Berwick station highlighted, I can right-click the mouse and left-click Extract and Generate Selected Posters. The actual poster generation is underway now. It really is that quick and easy. In moments I will have my A to Z. The beauty of Trainset is that the extraction engine performs an electronic edit of the data and acts as a filter, cutting production time down significantly. The extraction of posters takes only a few minutes and in some cases only a few seconds. All I need to do now is go to my email account to retrieve my extract in user-friendly Word format. I can then choose to print direct from Word or drop into a design program. Honestly, if I can do it, anyone can. So get in touch if you would like a full demonstration of how Trainset could enhance your timetable production. We look forward to hearing from you.